Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, an important match was played between France and Morocco. France scored two goals, and Morocco did not score any goal. At 18 minutes, a penalty was granted to France, but Mbappe missed the penalty. At 60 minutes, Mbappe scored first goal, and at 66 minutes, the Dembele scored the second goal for France, so that France won this game by two goals. Well done, France. Bad luck, Morocco.